Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Acid, bases and salts. Acids. The term acid is derived from Latin word acidus, which means sour. For example, vinegar contains acetic acid, orange contains citric acid, tamarind contains tartaric acid, apples malic acid, and curd contains lactic acid. A substance which dissolves in water to give positively charged hydrogen ions is called an acid. Types of acids. Strong acids. The acids which dissolve in water to give large number of hydrogen ions are called strong acids. Example: hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid. Nitric acid, etc. Weak acids. The acids which dissolve in water to give small number of hydrogen ions are called weak acids. Example: carbonic acid, acetic acid. Properties of acids. Acids taste sour. Acids turn blue litmus paper to red. Acid releases hydrogen in water solution. For example, HCl in water solution breaks into hydrogen and chlorine ions. Acid decomposes carbonates to give corresponding salts and carbon dioxide. Example is zinc carbonate when reacts with hydrochloric acid gives zinc chloride, carbon dioxide and water. Acids react with metal oxides to form respective metallic salts and water. Example: calcium oxide when reacts with hydrochloric acid gives calcium chloride, carbon dioxide and water. Bases. The substance that release hydroxyl ions in the solution are called bases. Example: sodium hydroxide NaOH, potassium hydroxide KOH. The bases which are soluble in water are called as alkalis. All alkalis are bases, but all bases are not alkalis. Strong bases. The oxides and hydroxides of sodium and potassium are strong bases. They are very soluble in water. Weak bases. The oxides and hydroxides of all the other metals are weak bases. They are sparingly soluble or insoluble in water. Example is copper hydroxide CuOH whole twice and ammonium hydroxide Na4OHO. Properties of bases. Bases taste bitter. Bases feel slippery. Bases turn red litmus paper to blue. Bases react with acids to give salt and water. Example is sodium hydroxide when react with sulfuric acid gives sodium sulfate and water. Salts. A substance formed by the neutralization of an acid with base is called a salt. Types of salts. Acidic salts. Salt formed as a result of reaction between weak base and a strong acid is called acidic salt. Weak base plus strong acids give acidic salts. Example is ammonium chloride, copper sulfate. Basic salts. A salt formed as a result of reaction between a weak acid and a strong base is called a basic salt. Weak acid plus strong base give basic salt. Example is sodium sulfide. Neutral salt. A salt formed as a result of reaction between a strong base and a strong acid is called a neutral salt. Strong acid plus strong base gives you neutral salt. Example is sodium chloride. Properties of salts. Salts are crystalline in nature. They look like an ice cubes. Mostly they are transparent and colorless and soluble in water. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe, like, comment and share.